Okay, so this is part 2 of the first example on sigma notation. And so this question is slightly different. We're using the same, sequence, and we're just starting at a different point. So with the previous one, we started at 1, but now we're starting at p, which is an unknown variable. So I don't know which term I'm actually starting at. But the question is to calculate p. So we're going to work out p. And they help us out by giving us the sum to infinity if p was the starting point. Okay, so in order to work out p, I need to make use of the sum to infinity formula. And so I'm going to say sum to infinity is equal to a over 1 minus r. Okay, so I need to work out the first term, and then I also need to work out the ratio. Okay, so using this sequence over here, we are going to substitute k with p to work out the first term, and then we're gonna, we've already identified that the ratio for this sequence is a third, so we're just going to be using that in our example. So we know what the ratio is. I just need to substitute p with k to find out the first term of this sequence. Okay, so the first term for this sequence is going to be, if I substitute k with p, that gives me 4 multiplied by 3, 2 minus p. So this is my a, this is my first term. And this will be over 1 minus r, which is our ratio, and this is equal to the expression that they gave us over there, or the number that they gave us over there, 2 over 9. And so now we just need to solve this equation. And we can do that by first adding this, so that gives me 2 over 3, and then I cross multiply. And so 2 over 3 times this 2 should give me 4 over 3, right? And then I'm going to multiply this 9 by that expression there. So the 9 times the 4 gives me 36. And then we still are multiplying this by the 3 to the power of 2 minus p. Okay, and we'll go further to solve this. I'll just do that over here. We'll solve this further by first dividing by the 36. So dividing by 36 is basically just multiplying this denominator by 36. And so 36 times 3 should give us 108. Okay, and then 4 over 108, if you simplify that, is 1 over 27. Okay, so we'll still have this expression here, but remember we divided by the 36 next to this, and then the 4 over 3 divided by that 36 was 1 over 27. Now we can express this in exponent notation as that. And so now because our bases are the same, we can make our exponents equal. And so what happens now is 2 minus p, this exponent, is equal to that exponent, and therefore you can take p across, so p becomes positive, and you take the 3 across, and 2 plus 3 is 5. And so the answer for p is 5.